Well, hello, my friends. I hope that you're having an awesome day today. We're going to be going through how to actually configure some of the new features within Clickfunnels 2.0 to add your Zoom account so you can then configure it. So let me just jump in real quick. So we're on our account, and the first thing that we have to do is that we're gonna be going through the appointment section. And now we have an option for conferencing. We can add Zoom, Meet, Microsoft Teams. There's an interesting detail. If you use Google, Meet get configured automatically. So let's add our Zoom account. So all you have to do when you click on the button, you're gonna see the option for Zoom. And you're gonna bring your account for Zoom if you're logged in. All you click is that you click allow. And now we have our additional connections. As you can see, I have a Google Meet and a Zoom. So how do we select any of these options for our events? So let's go and configure an event type. And I'm gonna add a new event type. And you can do a one-on-one call, you can do a group, round robin, that's when you have like a sales team, soon gonna come as a group. So let's start with the basic one-on-one. And I'm gonna go Zoom meeting demo. You can use any of your domains that you have configured in your account. This is a Zoom meeting demo. Put a little blue. You can put your logo. You can customize all the different things like you can do. But now the difference is that when we come into the conferences section, now you can see a Google Meet option and a Zoom option. You can configure if you want to get paid, all that kind of jazz. You create your event. And now when we go into this new booking page, you can book some time. Now I will receive a meeting invite from Zoom. There you have it. So you see, it booked right away a meeting in Zoom. Okay, so the meeting just got created. So right here, Zoom meeting demo with all the information on how to reschedule it. And that the information is powered by Clickfunnels. So there you have it, my friends, how you can actually configure your Clickfunnels scheduler so you can now leverage Zoom. My friends, we'll see you on our next episode.